Hello everybody, Yolanda here. I know you can't see me, but today I would like to show you our growing facility. We've been testing here for about 6 months now, and we have it pretty much under control now. So we are about ready to start handing out samples to local consumers as well as local businesses here in Tsawwassen and in Latimer, BC. So I'm going to show you some of the crops that we have almost ready to harvest. So as you can see here, the first one, let me just go around the corner so you can see better. Sorry for the noise in the background. So this one here, this beauty, this is radish, these ones, and it has a whole bunch of different mixes in there. So this one is called the spring salad land. So it is a mixture of different microgreens. And this one here is the mellow salad blend. It also is a mixture of different microgreens. Very dense. It's looking really, really good. So they're about ready to get harvested probably tomorrow. And beside this one we have the sunflower. Sunflower shoots are really, really popular as well. Super dense. I can't even look in between because it's really dense. It's doing really good as well. And then here we have the peas, which are about ready to get harvested as well. So these are on the other side. So these are the ones that are about ready to get harvested. Now let me show you the other side. So here is a spicy blend, which has mustard in it, mustard and cress. So there's a whole bunch of different ones in here, as you can see. Looks really good as well. So the roots look really good, nice and white and clean. And this one is my Thai basil, which it was planted on the September 4th. So it's been in here for a while, and I'll give this one a couple more days, and then it's ready to get harvested too. This one is also super dense. It's growing really, really well. If you smell your hands after you rub over it, you can just smell the basil. You smell the basil, you smell the anise. It's really, really good. It's very good for fish, and it's used a lot in Asian cuisine. Also this one, the roots look really good. And then here, right beside that one, we have our red cabbage. I have to think for a second here because we have more red ones. So this is the red cabbage. It's also doing really well. As you can see, also really beautiful. The beautiful color of the little stems. I really love it. Really pretty. Really, really pretty. And also here, the roots look really good. There you can see when your microgreens are healthy. Also the taste is really good of this one. And then here I did yet another Thai basil, which is not as far along. This one started on the, let me say correctly here, I think on the 14th of September. Yeah, I think this one is the 14th of September. The thing with micro herbs though, like the basil and wasabi, like most of the micro herbs around, take longer to grow. They take at least 2-3 weeks, maybe sometimes 4. Depends how fast they grow in your system. So all the other ones are going actually pretty quick, like the red cabbage here, and the blends. And like I said here on this side, these blends, they also go faster. It's about 7 to 10 days. So it's about 2 weeks, and then they're ready to get harvested or to be sold. So yeah, this has been a real challenge for us. But I gotta say, it all worked out really well, and we're super duper happy with what we created here. We're going to build another line where we can actually even put more trays on. And yeah, so I'm gonna just show you one that's in blackout right now. I'm doing a broccoli. I've already created a broccoli before, I already ate it all, sorry about that. So I'm going to go over to the other side. I'm going to show you our broccoli, who's in germination mode. And so, as you can see, these are just starting to germinate. This is the broccoli. I just planted those yesterday. Did I say correct? Yeah, yesterday morning I planted this, and look what it's already doing. It's already growing and it's already coming out, right? So what we do is we put like a blackout top on it while it's germinating. So that's what we do. And then we put this cap on like that, and then it just sits here for a couple of days. And then when you can see that the roots are coming out on the bottom, that's when we start putting them in water, and then they can still maybe go in blackout, or we put them straight under the light. It depends how far along in the maturing process they are. So for now, let me just check here. Be very careful. As you can see, there's a few little roots coming out. Not many yet, but a few. So it's started to come. So it's actually really good. So this was what I wanted to show you so far. So this is our facility. I hope you stay tuned and for more news and more pictures and more live videos. Yeah, so I'll talk to you soon. Wishing you all an amazing day, and thanks for tuning in. Bye for now.